on iPhone. After a long wait, Apple has finally made the macOS 14 Sonoma beta available for its public beta testers. Hence, if you love to try out the all-new macOS features, let's dive right in to get started. First and foremost, make sure not to install the macOS Sonoma beta on your main Mac. Instead, I would recommend you to install the beta profile on a secondary Mac. Keep in mind that this is a beta software, which means there are often bugs and issues that pop up that can prevent software from working properly or cause other problems. Therefore, be sure to fully back up your device using Time Machine. Then open Safari on your Mac and then navigate to the Apple Beta Software Program website. Then click on the Sign Up button and enter your Apple ID credentials, or sign in with your Apple ID if you have signed up to beta test a previous update. After that, agree to the Apple Beta Software Program terms and conditions if required. Next up, you will see a main screen that's a guide for public betas. Click on macOS tab. Then read through Apple's instructions carefully, and then using the link in the Get Started section, select Enroll your macOS device. After that, open the System Settings app on your Mac. In the sidebar, select General. Then click on Software Update. Then click on the Info button next to Beta Updates, and then choose macOS Sonoma Public Beta. After that, download and install the software as usual, and that's pretty much it. So that's how you can download and install the macOS Sonoma Public Beta on your Mac. Now that you have got the brand new Sonoma, take the all new features for a test drive. If you found this video helpful, do like and share it, and I'll see you in the next video with more such handy macOS tips and tricks. Till then, stay safe and have a great time. Bye.